Markets move in milliseconds. Your data infrastructure has to move faster. Let's see how Ververica is used to analyze high-speed quotes, providing you with real-time securities pricing and trade recommendations. We start with a direct connection to markets, with massive numbers of raw bids and offers arriving. We automatically sort these quotes as they arrive to calculate the highest bids, the lowest offers, and the bid-offer spread. Tumbling or sliding windows are used, not to delay the calculation until the close of a window, as would be done in batch processing, but as a way to purge older quotes, making sure you're only taking action on the most recent data. And if you ever need to analyze the direction of market movement, our best bids, offers, and spreads are always available over time based on our window timestamps. Now that we have our up-to-the-second highest bid and lowest offer, we use a join to combine this live updating data with our also updating securities inventory. Flink handles joins over 2 updating streams with ease. And for each security in our inventory, we automatically see where our securities price fits relative to current market conditions with proposed actions. Flink makes sure we're always using the most up-to-the-moment bids and offers for comparison with our inventory, providing you with trade recommendations at the speed that markets move. And when you need to scale your jobs to process billions of records per second of market data available, your only choice is Ververica, the original creators of Apache Flink. There is no limit to the number of real-time insights you can answer using Ververica. Visit ververica.com to learn more.